Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Capital Investments. My name is Salman Sheikh and today's stock in focus is Sun Pharmaceuticals. As you can see the Sun Pharma chart with its long-term trend. So this is the low of Corona and after the March 2020 it's rising. We saw a correction over here and then a small correction over here. So this seems to be a very good upper channel. I have a 750 put of Sun Pharma as shown to you yesterday, and now it is coming down, so it can only reach a high of around 827 and the low can be around 677. So if Sun Pharma goes in the money, I'm going to be in deep trouble because the low point is very low. Although I just feel that when it goes low it just consolidates and then it reaches this line rather than this candle going directly low. The probability of this candle directly touching low is less because it is not done in the past. As you see, it took several candles to touch the low, whereas the bullish candle directly touches from almost bottom to peak of this channel. Also we still have the coronavirus fear and the vaccines and also out there, and people require medicines. So I see overall fundamentally it should be strong, and my put is in October, so I'll have plenty of time to manage it. So I'll just show you how I have managed it. So this is the Sun Pharma trade. So I have created a strangle out of it. So today again Sun Pharma was going down and you can see most of our focus stocks are going down, and this is the Sun Pharma trade, and already the 13 put I had sold in 13 and it reached 18.25. The markets are still live and it's still going on. Nifty has fallen, so I've created a strangle to adjust it and did not buy a hedge at the lower point. This is the Sun Pharma Obstra, and you can see here this is a strangle but the calendars are different. So I've sold the PE in October month but the CE is of near month. So even if Sun Pharma shoots up, I don't see this month it will reach 850, but if I do this of next month it can reach 850 because overall the markets are bullish currently and there is a huge inflow of funds from FII, DIIs and everything. My break even is at 761 for this month, so in case it goes below 760 I'll see I need to adjust again. Now another question would be why not average this. So what happened now, I averaged this M&M trade when it reached a little bit higher. So this is the M&M and I had averaged this. It was around 13-14 I sold initially, that around 20-21 I sold again, and then it went to 28, 30 and 32 levels. So that is the reason I'm not averaging this, because this can go much higher and then I'll need multiple lots to defend this. So I do not want to block too much of a margin in this trade. That is why I'm not adjusting with an averaging one. So I'll wait and see what happens tomorrow. Now let's go back to our post-market report and let's see the world markets and then Nifty and Bank Nifty. So first we'll see the Dow Jones, as our Indian stock market actually follows the US stock market. So this is the trend line of Dow Jones, and I can see that the Dow Jones seems to be quite cool, not as hot as Nifty which is rising like crazy, but Dow Jones is quite stable and it's still sticking to its trend line, the bottom trend line. So this is the Dow Jones VIX. It went up 5.67% when Dow Jones went 0.21% down, but still okay. This is a small fluctuation. Let's check India VIX. So yes, India VIX today fell, and that is very nice because there was a small fall in Nifty, and Nifty has been rising too much in the past couple of weeks, and that is why it is good when it falls little bit. That is why the VIX will fall. The people are quite comfortable. So if Nifty trades between 17,000 to 17,500, people will be quite comfortable. And today it's around 0.13 and 0.12% down. So this is the monthly chart. We'll just check the hourly chart. So this is the 1 hour chart, and as you can see for the past 2 days it's been consolidating, and that's where the VIX has fallen down. So this is a good signal. SGX Nifty is going a little bit red. So in the 1 hour chart you can see it has shown some kind of volatility, and now it's going down. So I'm okay. I'm quite comfortable if Nifty trades between 17,500 and 17,000. So everybody would be comfortable at this stage. And if Nifty survives like this, then VIX will come down further. Bank Nifty is the same old story. It has been consolidating with a slight negative bias. So 0.37 fall is nothing for Bank Nifty. This is also called a consolidation. Let's quickly check the option chain, and we can see Nifty is today's option chain. And out of the money calls, the far out of the money calls have been unwound. That is because there is no premium left. People have come closer, and you can see significant amount of call addition over here, and the in the money put sellers are now trying to unwind. So we can see the bullishness have been tamed, a little bit tamed from Nifty, and hopefully it will consolidate for a few days because there is still near the money and at the money puts written. So we cannot expect it to directly fall down as well. Let's check what happened in the monthly data. Again shows a 17,400 straddle kind of a situation, and in the money calls have been unwound and strong put position seen as 17,000. So we can see that 17,000 should turn out to be a very strong support, and calls are still not significant at this level. So 17,500 puts are being written in the money. People are expecting by the end of the month Nifty should cross above 17,500. Oh, we'll see. Let's check Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty again the 9th September far out of the money call is unknown because there is no premium left. Here the story is that in the money puts have been unwound, and that is why we can see a negative biasness in Bank Nifty, and strong calls are standing from 36,500 to 37,000 range. So there are puts written below 36,500 as well, but as soon as Nifty will come in this range 36,500 to 37,000, we can observe selling pressure. But at the same time, due to this put support, the selling would be minimal and Bank Nifty will fall down minimally. Let's check 30th September, and we can see 37,000 call and put have both unwound, and there is significant amount of put addition at 35,500, whereas the call addition was at 37,500. So people are quite uncertain for the monthly chart, and that is why the new positions that they are creating, the change in open interest, are quite far away. So I can still see there will be a consolidation in this region of 36,000 to 37,000. So this is the futures dashboard. In Opstra you can see the futures dashboard as well, and I can see that the top IV gainers for option sellers was for HDFC. So if you had sold HDFC today, you would have got a good premium. So this really helps, and someone who has sold Page maybe a couple of days ago must have got a good return on their premium, so they could have exited the positions today on Page. Whereas we could see that the Idea's price change is 14.38%. Idea has been falling for quite some time and now it is rising, whereas the top price loser is DLF. So none of our focus stocks are in news over here. Let's check the FIDI activity, and today's FIDI activity will not come out, but for 6th September we could see there was a little bit of selling of 42.05 crores, and I can see that even today's chart was slightly negative, and I think there will be today also FIDIs would have sold slightly, not much but slightly. So we'll have to check the data in the evening. This is the heat map of Nifty 50 stocks, and as you can see HDFC rose very fast, and that is why the IV also rose, and Bharti Airtel also rose very fast. I do not know Bharti Airtel why the price is rising and people are investing. I find the network to be very bad of Airtel, at least in my area in Mumbai and Delhi. And as you could see, Sun Pharma was the top loser. And I could have sold a put easily in this and averaged it, but I did not want to do the M&M mistake. Hence, I stopped it. So it depends upon your margin. If you have 3 to 5 lots of put selling margin, then you can do it. But I did not want to go further in this. Hence today I did not do. I'll see if the price action, if it falls further, then I'll see how to adjust. So that's it guys from my side, and this is about today's post market report. If you like the video, then please do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and in case you want such regular updates, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. See you in next video. Bye bye. My name is Salman Sheikh. SCAPITAL Investments is the name of my company. If you're new to this channel, then please do visit my channel and watch the videos. I have created very good videos for you. If you're a basic options trader and you're learning options trading, do check out my initial 4 videos. In case you are advanced and have been following me regularly, please do check out my daily stock options trade and daily analysis of post market report.